glum look off your face and change up that attitude. Alright, watch me now. Focus all of your strength to the middle of your back until you feel it tingle. See? It's easy.
Actually, it's not that easy.
Why don't you show her then?
Yes. Like this.
Come on, Kale, you can do it. Make sure your back feels the sensation and then at once, boom! Come on, you can do it.
If you say so, Sis Caulifla, I'll try. Make my back all tingly like...
Good. Now focus on your spirit. Make it so you feel the sensation.
I think she's getting it.
Yeah. She doesn't get it at all!
I think your descriptions of bang and boom are hard to understand.
I did not describe it as bang! What, you think I'm a bad teacher or something then, huh?
I meant perhaps if you will explain yourself better.
Alright, I understand. Kale, let's try this a different way. How about we release the energy of your anger